It's me, WalletConnect again. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you the newest airdrop in the Solana network. Recently, Trump released his new token WLFI, and in honor of this launches this airdrop. Now, I will introduce you to it a little. If you have any of the meme coins, such as Shiba Coin, Dogecoin, Tramp Coin, then you can get an increased percentage of this airdrop. In order to find out if you have the opportunity to pick up this airdrop, you can go to the site using the link in the description and in the comments. Let's move on to the functionality of this site. On the main screen, we have two buttons, Join Airdrop and Learn More. A little lower, we can find out what an airdrop is and also see all the active statistics of this token. As you can see, it is gaining popularity. Then we can read the reference material, and at the very bottom there will be social networks. Let's go to Twitter. As we can see, we were transferred to the official page of this cryptocurrency. To receive an airdrop, we need to connect our wallet here. The site supports more than 90 wallets, and they include the most popular ones, such as Phantom.Solflare, OKX.Trust Wallet, and many others. Remember, if you connect active wallets with those meme coins that I named at the beginning, then you can get more WLFI. Don't miss this event and register right now using the link in the description and in the comments. Thanks for watching. Dear friends, share your results in the comments. Your WalletConnect was with you.